So here we go. The latest stopgap motor, Ford C-Max knob swap. So there we go. Gear knob and Gaitor. It's off the car. So there we go, gear knobs. Of course, camera's back to front. But look at that. No, not having that. Temporary stopgap or not, I'm not having that. And whilst we're at it, can you see? There we go, just there. Gate is a bit knackered as well. So while we're at it, Nif's been off to the scrappy. Grabbed me some Ford Mondeo gear stick knob, and the Gaitor came off. Is it a Galaxy? Possibly a S-Max. Nice pair of good size cutters. Get in from the front, cut them. Can't really do this one-handed. Twist it around, push it back through. There you go. Let it out. My son said none of them in the scrapyard had the gear knob and gear stick Gaitor around them. The one he got was a double ring, but it is ever so slightly bigger, not much. So I've got to try and get those holes on this. I reckon, I don't know what the hell I reckoned. Get some glue to get it sorted. No? Just been out to double check. So this end is ever so slightly narrower that way than there. So that's towards the dash, my little applicator. So my bit of tape, so I have to just blindly go for it. Let's get that gear knob attached. Right, so you got a nice little groove there. Bottom end through there. Well, I've got to get the tissue out, de-scum it. Let's see if I've managed to do this alright or if I've just cocked it up. So let's pop that on there. So let's see if we can hold the phone and do this at the same time whilst. I think the answer is probably not. I can't do this. Alright, we're back. Ta-da! There we go. Almost looks like I haven't been messing around with it. So the SH-T box C-Max looking a bit tidier. Happy days.